We're here live in Hall 1 at Starleaf, and I'm delighted to be joined here by two gentlemen, Dan and Dario. Hello to you. How is the exhibition going so far?
Hi, it's been great, thanks. We've had a wonderful time here. Lots of people joining us on the stand, and it's been a really, really busy couple of days.
Oh, that's great to hear. And just what exactly is Starleaf? It's got a lovely name.
That's a great question. So Starleaf is a next-generation communications platform. It's been designed from the ground up by some real veterans in the industry. And what we've done is we've really taken it into account with some 4 key principles for all our customers. They're namely, we need to develop a communications platform that is built entirely for the enterprise. It's built entirely on a security basis. We're going to be transporting some of our customers' most valuable data, and they need to know that it is absolutely secure and locked down to the nth degree. It's got to be reliable. There's no point having a communications platform that's a risk to the business. We fundamentally believe that these communications platforms need to be something that those businesses can be built on top of. Can work anywhere, any place, on any device. And finally, it's got to be ease of use. The most important people as part of our customers are the people themselves, right? They've got to make sure that device is so easy for them to use. So we put a huge amount of effort to make sure it's super easy to use.
And what kind of markets are you operating in?
We operate in a vast range of markets, from public services, people like the NHS, who are doing some great stuff there, all the way through to some of the largest banking institutions in the world.
And how do you tie up with this gentleman here?
It's great leading me on to my next point, which is our wonderful collection of partners and partners we work really, really closely with. It's all very well as a manufacturer saying, hey, buy all our stuff, it's just going to be brilliant. But actually, the people who are closest to those customers are our partners who work very closely to deploy that product in a vast range. And I'll let Dario talk about how he does it.
It's you.
Yeah, thanks. So we're Digital Workspace Audiovisual Solutions, one of Starleaf's main partners, and we've been providing our clients with video conferencing solutions since the mid-90s, and it's always been cumbersome, expensive to buy and expensive to run, and quite complex, and to the extent where it doesn't really work that well if it's not perfect. And when this solution came along, it was almost like a magic wand, and we knew that A, we could go out to everybody who had problems with the traditional way of doing it and help them fix those problems. B, we could introduce it to companies who couldn't afford it previously, because it's a really low-cost solution compared to the previous way of doing it. And probably the one that appeals to most people is that it just connects everybody to everybody regardless of their platform, and it works every time the user goes to use it. So the IT departments, the office managers, the finance departments, they love it because it reduces all their running costs, it reduces all the hassle they get, and it has happy room users. And we know that room users suffer about 10% of lost time when they go to start meetings because of failed equipment that doesn't work properly, or it's too complex for them to use. With this stuff here, we're not doing a demo right now, but with this stuff here, the user walks into a room, hits a green button, it's on a panel, and their meeting starts.
So the proverbial game changer then. And what kind of interest have you had here at Offshore Europe?
Yeah, it's been great. It's been absolutely brilliant. When people come up to us who don't know who we are and they realise what we're doing, you can see their eyes opening. When they know what we do already, they want to ask about what's happening, the latest innovations we've got. So there's some new magic peripherals and things that are kicking around, and new advances on the way the system works for the user that we're introducing here at the show. So it's been really good so far.
And we're here in obviously a new venue. You're right beside the Ingenious Zone. It's a good place to be.
It certainly is, and it's like a set from Star Wars, this new venue. It's fantastic. It's really good to be here. We're quite proud that we're here at the very first show in the new venue, and we hope to come back next year as well. Hopefully it's a success and we can come back.
Oh, that's great. Well, listen, I'm glad that you're enjoying the conference and exhibition so far. I wish you well for the rest of it. It's nice to meet you.
Thanks so much for your time. Thanks, bye.